has this gone? Hello.
The crazy new bird.
Whatever.
Ah, my evil bird just said whatever.
Play me some music.
I don't want to.
Should I? Then you can sing to
Play
it.
me some music.
Dun 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 dun.
Hold on, we'll play Nicki Minaj. You can sing to Nicki Minaj.
It doesn't sing to him. He dances. Don't you cockatoo.
Play me some music.
Oh.
La 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 la.
Play me some music.
It's turned into a retard. Just don't get it that close to my bird. He'll die.
Play me some music.
I think he'll die.
He died! He fainted! Shit. That would be creepy. And it's me. He just got fainted.
Cocky.
Cocky.
Repeat after me.
Okay. Turn it on.
Repeat after me.
Oh, you can suck my
No, it's really weird.
No, it's like, if snowman came to life,
That would be creepy. I don't think he'll do it now. He's not going to do it. I've got to click the repeat.
Repeat after me.
If snowman came to life, that would be creepy. Creepy. Fuck, he just strangled my bird.
Repeat after me.
right, okay.
No. No, don't do that to him.
Repeat. No, leave him. Poor little bugger. Get off her finger. Right. Play repeat after me.
Whatever.
He doesn't like you, Jess.
Right, do it.
Whatever. Whatever.
Shut up.
Whatever. Repeat after me.
If snowman came to life, that would be creepy. Pay.
Hey!
In the toilet.
I'm in the toilet. Come find me. It stinks.
Hello. Excuse?
Do it again. Has it? You died.